Invoicing clients through PayPal is a straightforward process. Here's how to create and send an invoice using PayPal. Log into PayPal. Go to the PayPal website or open the PayPal app on your mobile device. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Access the invoicing tool. From the main dashboard, select Tools in the menu. Click on Invoicing to access the invoicing tool. Create a new invoice. Click on Create Invoice to start a new invoice. Fill in the necessary details, such as the recipient's email address. Add invoice details, invoice number. PayPal automatically generates this, but you can edit it. Invoice date, automatically set to today's date, but can be changed. Due date, set the payment due date. Item or service description, add a description of the items or services provided. Quantity and rate, enter the quantity and rate for each item or service. Subtotal, PayPal calculates this automatically. Apply taxes and discounts. If applicable, add any taxes or discounts to the invoice. Calculate the total amount. The total amount due will be automatically calculated by PayPal. Add payment terms and notes. Payment terms, specify the payment terms. Notes, add any additional notes or instructions for the client. Preview and send. Review the invoice for accuracy. Click on Send to email the invoice directly to your client through PayPal. Track and manage invoices. Use the Manage Invoices section to track the status of your invoices. Send reminders for unpaid invoices if necessary.